Microprocessor. A microprocessor, as the term has come to be known, is a general purpose digital computer central processing unit CPU. Although popularly known as computer on a chip, the microprocessor is no sense a complete digital computer. To make a complete microcomputer, one must add memory, usually read only program memory ROM, and random access data memory RAM, memory decoders and oscillators, and number of input output devices such as parallel and serial data ports. Additionally, special purpose devices such as interrupt handlers or counters may be added to relieve CPU from time consuming counting and timing chores. Equipping the microcomputer with mass storage device, commonly a floppy disk drive, and input output peripherals such as keyboard and CRT display, yields a small computer that can be applied to a range of general purpose software applications. The key term in describing design a microprocessor is general purpose. The hardware design of microprocessor CPU is arranged so that a small or a very large system can be configured around CPU as application demands. The internal CPU architecture as well as resultant machine level code that operates that architecture is comprehensive but as flexible as possible. The prime use of microprocessor is to fetch data, perform extensive calculation on that data, and store those calculations in mass storage device or display the results of human use. The programs used by microprocessor are stored in mass storage device and loaded into RAM as the user directs. A few microprocessor programs are stored in ROM. The ROM based programs are primarily small fixed programs that operate peripherals and other fixed devices that are connected to the system. The design of microprocessor is driven by desire to make it expandable as possible in the expectation of commercial success in the marketplace.